Kumusta po kayo? Welcome back. Let's continue our discussion on mixing the enclitic particle naman with other particles like na, pa, ba, and lang, which we started in the last video. If you are new to this channel, please check out the previous videos on the Tagalog enclitic particles so that this video will make sense to you. The links are in the description box down below. We now know that the Tagalog enclitic particles can be mixed in the same phrase, increasing the texture and expanding the meaning of a phrase. Let's take a look at the combination of the enclitic particles na, pa, ba, lang, and naman with demonstrative pronouns, with the preposition nasa, with time expressions, with questions to express irritation, and in humbly stating one's opinion. Let's take a look at combining enclitic particles with demonstrative pronouns. Here goes. Ito na. This is it. This is my final choice. Ito na naman. This is it again. Ito na naman ba? Is this your choice again? Ito na lang naman. It's just this one, nothing else. Heto na. Here it is. Heto na naman. It's on again. Nandito na. It's here now. Nandito na naman. It's here now again. It's back. Ganito lang. It's just like this. Ganito lang naman. It's just like this. Nothing special about it. Ayos ba? Now, let's use the preposition nasa and a personal pronoun, which means with someone. But before we do that, please be sure that you are subscribed by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell notification button so you'd be updated of new videos. Alright? Now, on to our examples. Here goes. Nasa akin na. It's with me now. Nasa akin naman. It's with me this time, after it was with someone else previously. Nasa akin na naman. It's back with me again. Nasa akin lang. It's just with me. Nasa akin lang naman. It's just with me. No big deal. Nasa akin ba? Is it with me? Nasa akin na naman ba? Is it with me again? You can use the same pattern with other personal pronouns and you'll get similar meanings. Go ahead, try it. Next up, let's take a look at combining particles with time expressions. Let's go. Ngayon na. It's now. Do it now. Ngayon na naman. It's now again. It's today again. Ngayon lang. Just today. Just this time, only for today. Ngayon lang naman. Just today, just this time, only for today, don't worry about it. Bukas na naman. It's tomorrow again. Bukas lang naman. It's just for tomorrow. Don't worry about it. Sa isang linggo na naman. It's next week again. Sa isang linggo lang naman. It's just for next week. Don't worry about it. Pasukan na naman. It's school season once again. Tag-ulan na naman. It's rainy season once again. Tag-init na naman. It's the hot season once again. Pasko na naman. It's Christmas time once again. Ayos ba? Now, let's use the particles with question words to express irritation. Ano na? What now? What is it now? What is it this time? Ano ba? What is it? Ano ba? What the heck? Stop it. Don't bug me. Ano na naman? What is it again this time? Ano na naman ba? What is it again this time, really? Kailan na naman? When is it again this time? Kailan na naman ba? When is it again this time, really? Saan na naman? Where is it again this time? Saan na naman ba? Where is it again this time, really? Bakit na naman? Why are you bugging me again this time? What is it again this time? Bakit na naman ba? Why are you bugging me again this time, really? What is it again this time, really? Sino na naman? Who is it again this time? Sino na naman ba? Who is it again this time, really? Ayos ba? And if you're enjoying this video so far, please be sure to hit the like button because that will help in growing this channel. Alright? Lastly, let's combine the particles to humbly state one's opinion. In here, we will use a sentence pattern, ang, sa, plus personal pronoun, plus lang naman. Here are our examples. Ang sa akin lang naman. My opinion on the matter is, word for word, this phrase would not make sense. But this phrase is the building block in expressing one's opinion. Like for example, ang sa akin lang naman ay dapat umuwi ka na. My opinion on the matter is that you should go home now. Ang sa amin lang naman ay dapat magpahinga ka. Our opinion on the matter is that you should rest. Ang sa kanya lang naman ay dapat magsabi ka ng totoo. His or her opinion on the matter is that you should tell the truth. Ang sa kanila lang naman ay dapat magtrabaho ka ng tapat. Their opinion on the matter is that you should work honestly. That's about it for now. I hope you learned something new today. What we have covered are just some examples of how the particle naman can be combined with the particles na, pa, ba, and lang, which creates new texture to a phrase. There are more, and I will cover those in the next video. I hope you catch that. I will see you then. Maraming salamat po at hanggang sa susunod.